Hey, are you confused about Bitlosity? Do you want to know how it works? Do you want to know if you sign up before its launch, then what will you get and what will be your benefit? Do you want to know how much profit you can make if you join before sign up? Do you want to know what will be your position if you join before sign up? Okay, I will clear all your doubts and I will explain you each and everything, and I will give you the sense about Bitlosity, and I will explain you each and everything about the system. Okay, let me start on the world's first all-in-one decentralized technology, educational and rewards program designed to accelerate you to the speed of success. Welcome to the Bitlosity. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this program will launch Sunday midnight, and this program users are now 16,000, and it gonna become millions of users in next few days. So make sure first of all join this system. The link is in the description, and the joining method is you have to join first, register your account, and after that join their telegram group. When you will join their telegram link, their telegram group, you will be the founding member of this program. Now your question will be that if you become the founding member, what will be your benefit? Now let me explain you. Friends, if you will become the founding member, you don't need to pay any fees, you don't need to buy any plane, you don't need to purchase do you anything, you don't need to upgrade anything. Simply you will be the leader of the system, and what other people will join, you will simply get $25. Now let me show you my referrals. Like I have 15 referrals here, and my total referrals, let me show you the my when you go here, you will see I only refer this person, but this specific person Adil referred two more person. You can see here two more person. Now let me show you other system. Now you can see here are on I only refer this person, but this person invite also three other persons. So basically when 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 you are leader, you will get a big tree of many person. Now these three persons will also refer many other persons, so you will get a number of persons, and they will invite each other. And when you have such big tree, and when the program officially launch after just few hours from now, then they will add the planes in the system. And when somebody buy, the minimum plane is $25, and when someone will purchase that plane, you will simply get $25 for per purchase. And uh, if you if you get two referrals who purchased $25, then you will get $50, and from that $50 you can withdraw $50 directly in your Bitcoin account. And with remaining 50 25 dollar, you can, with remaining $25, you have to inline your position of founding member. Hope you guys understand what I am saying, that if you have two referrals give you $50, and from $50 you can withdraw $25, and $25 you need to keep in your account to inline your founding member position. So that's how you can make unlimited $25 by doing just nothing. So ladies and gentlemen, must join this website before it's too late. And I think only fool will not join this system. This is absolutely free for you now, but later it will be too expensive for those who will join. And Join now, link is in the description. Join first and verify your email, and then after that join their Telegram link. If you do not join their Telegram link, you will not be in the founding member. So hope so this video will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel for next update of Bitlocity.